mix until the sugar dissolves. Then we put 1/2 cup of oil. And the next one is 1 cup of milk. Then put 2 cups of cake flour into a strainer. Then sift the flour. And then 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Sift the cocoa powder too. And now we mix again. Then we will need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. The next one is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The last one is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And now we mix again. Make sure you mix it well. The mixture is supposed to look like this. Then we need a cupcake maker. Line the inside of the cupcake maker with cupcake liner. Then preheat the cupcake maker. When it's done preheating, put the mixture inside. Make sure to put just half. A little bit like that is about enough. When it's done, you have to close it. Wait for 20 minutes. To check if it's cooked, poke a stick in, like what Love is doing, and pull it out. If there's nothing in the stick, that means it's cooked. So guys, our cupcakes are finally done! Let's try them out! It's not that sweet, but I recommend you to lesser just a little bit of the cocoa. Overall, it tastes amazing! So guys, we have to end this video here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I am Faith. I am Love. Goodbye!